Guys, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how you can reset the service or the oil indicator of a Ford Fiesta 2017 model. I'm going to show you how you can get rid of the indicator over here showing that the oil is due to change. And I'm going to show you how you can do it manually. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, Service Reset My Car. Have a look at our channel for more than 300 other videos on how to reset different model cars. Any questions, any comments, use the comment area and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay. First of all, turn the ignition on over here. Then we're going to use these two buttons. Yes. Press the OK button. Scroll down to settings area. This one with the wheels. Press this button over here. Then you'll see information. Yes. Press OK. Press the OK button down to oil life. Once you're there, press another times OK, and now it says reset oil life. As you can see, confirm by pressing OK, and it says hold to reset oil life, and you'll see that the indicator is now back to 100%. So once again, let's say we're here, turn the ignition on, wait for it, find the settings area. Once you are here, press this button, information OK, down to oil life, press and hold the OK button to reset the oil life back to 100%. That was it. This was an easy one. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped you, and I hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.